Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. As you can see, cameras all switched around there for some bizarre reason. I know exactly why that is. Anyway, we're getting ready to go again, but all my cameras are all over the place. Look at that, what a chaos. Anyway, welcome. It is a bit of a chaos today because we're trying to watch two football games at the same time. England are 0-0 against Wales, and Iran is 1-0 to the United States. So there you go. The US are going through at the moment. What a day we've had. Everything we made this morning has gone back out again. I said today would be a very muted day. Green, I expect it to be, and I still think I'm going to end up green, but it's a muted day. Not much. Everyone's preparing for tomorrow. So there we go. That's where we are right now. Not a great deal going on. Let's get straight into the trades and see where we are. And okay, here we go. Mike, Max H was here first. How are you, Max H? Wonderful to have you with us. And who was here before? Stephen Lewandowski, ETORO, Bill was here as well. Lovely to have you all here. Okay, let's get ready to go. We're down just 0.37, 0.34. I do think it's going to be green. However, it's going to be a very muted day. Now, R1 RCM, I had a little bit of a investment with this one. I have a very small amount, just 10 shares. This can go up 30-40% really, because it was down because of a bad debt which is getting resolved. Obviously, it's getting resolved. Otherwise, the stock price wouldn't be up 10%. I'm up 11% on it. I've only got $8 in it. I could just sell it. I'm not really paying any attention to it. I probably should at any moment now. So anyway, we'll give it a little bit more. Hello, family. Carlos Sanchez is here. The Vanguard S&P VU is down a little bit. Virgin Galactic is up today, 3.15. Still out of the money, but we're okay. Virgin Orbit has been going sideways pretty much all day. Like I said, green day but muted. Tesla selling off again today. Got a buy at 160. Would love to get it and lower that average. Rivian is also up today, but it's falling off a little bit. Lucid is also down 1.37. I would love to get some Apple. We're going to come on to Apple in a minute. Arrival getting worse and worse every single day. I don't know how they're going to survive, honestly. Amazon is down 1.67. It's getting closer. My all-time low is 85. Well, that's my lower than my all-time low, if you like, $85. It's getting close now to buying some more Amazon. My last buy-in was, because Amazon, you can't go wrong, can you? 87. So yeah, so it's not there. 85 is that. I've got to stick to that. 85. So same as Apple. Apple is getting tasty. My lowest is 141. I can buy one share here if I wanted to, but won't make much difference. Just one share, but a share at 130 will. There you go. That's getting better. My lowest is 141, so it's under my lowest position, but I'd like to go a bit lower before I start getting any more. I don't really want to spend any money, to be honest. Robinhood is down 1.47. McDonald's is down 0.81. And we're on half time now between England and USA. Welcome, everybody. Thank you ever so much for following me here on TikTok. Thanks to all of you trading live on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, all around the world this afternoon. Andrew Grady's put your name on the screen. There we go. Andrew Grady, how are you? I give Witherspoon some profit every Friday. Weatherspoon some profit every Friday, but thoughts on adding the stock to my portfolio? It's not one for me. It's not one for me. You might, you know, a lot of people like to do that. They invest in what they believe in. USA. Yep. Congratulations. You're 1-0 against Iran. Very, very exciting. Very, very good. And the USA are going through to the qualifiers at this moment. But it's another 45 minutes to go yet, plus extra time. Remember, this is the group stages. There is no extra time. There's just injury time. There is no extra half an hour. There is no penalties. There is no have to score a goal. It's just group stages. So the next round will be very, very different. Anyway, very good indeed. Congratulations, Church. I can imagine you're happy. Buying Apple at 165. Let's go back to it again. Buying Apple at 165. It's at 140. Are you probably talking about pounds? Are you from Max H? Are you from the UK? Or was that your average at 165? Anyway, let's move on. McDonald's is down 0.82. Coca-Cola is down as well today. But I'm still up 5%. J&J, 136. Oh, you meant 136. What did 165 come from then? 136, 135. What number is it? I ain't got a clue. You're buying it at 136, 135. Okay, that's good. I just made up a number, 130. It's no special magic numbers. Mistake, 135. Okay, no worries at all. Google down today, 0.87. We're at half time still, and we're keeping an eye on the score of the football. Here we go. This is England and Wales 0-0, and Iran and United States 1-0 to the United States. All right. Apple not looking good the rest of the year. That's why I want to sort of just get it. If it goes cheaper, I'm going to hold Apple. I'm never going to sell it. But I'm going to add to it if it goes lower. You got to stick to those all-time lows. You really have. Because things can happen, can't they? Meta Platforms, there we go, is up today nearly 1%. Down 5%, but holding. Tesla rolling over. Yes, it is. Tesla is rolling over. 178. I've got a buy at 160. My last buy-in was, check my history, 170, 170.34. So got another $9 to go before I hit a low there. Anyway, so what about SoFi today? SoFi's had an okay day, up 0.67. IonQ down today, 1.92. I'm down 7%. Walmart going sideways. I'm up 25%. There's money to be made there. Target, I'm up 10% there. Tesco, I'm up 1.12. Canoe, I'm up 4.32. Down 41% though. Not buying any more. Very, 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 very risky. Enphase Energy. All right. During the lunch break, we've been very, very busy here on the show, putting out some new content today. I don't know if anyone has seen all the new content. Let me share with you what I've put out today. I'd love you to go and check it out. On the homepage of the YouTube channel, you scroll down and you look for the videos, uploads. And basically what you're looking for is the videos without a red line on them. That's what you're looking for, videos without a red line. So let me scroll down. My computer is really suffering today. I don't know what's going on. I've restarted it, but it's really playing out. I can't control anything. It's very glitchy. It's probably a lot of updates. Things aren't completely gelling at the minute. So where are we? Videos. Yes, here we go. If you scroll down to videos, these are the new ones that came out today. If they don't have a red line next to them, you've not watched them. So if you wouldn't mind having a little look, we've got information about SoFi, the general market situation, what we're looking for with Jerome Powell, Virgin Galactic, Bitcoin SV, our guest, and Tesla, our guest on Friday. So there you go. If you've not had a look at that. What's that doing in there? That shouldn't be in there. Why is that in there? That's weird. That should be in shorts. What's that doing in there? Do the shorts go in there now all of a sudden? Never seen that before. No, that's not right. That shouldn't be in there. Yeah, that shouldn't be in there. Anyway. We'll come back to that later. No idea. Excuse me, I'm talking out loud for a minute. And where is Jerome? What is Jerome Powell talking about tomorrow? Talking about his projections and where he sees what's the state of the economy. Because on the what day is it? On Friday we've got the earnings report. He'll probably touch on that. But more importantly, we'll get an idea of what he's thinking about December the 13th. That's the CPI rate when that comes out, and on the 13th, and the FOMC is December the 15th. So we'll get an idea of where he sees it going. Okay, I think we're back into the second half now. Yes, we are. We're back in the second half. with the football. I can tell you what the scores are now. We've got England 0-0 with Wales and England, and we've got Iran and USA 1-0 to the US. They are up at the moment, okay, with 45 minutes to go. We'll keep you updated as we progress throughout the afternoon. All right, so watching USA, yeah. I would be watching England if it was a knockout, but when it's a knockout stages, I will be there. I've never missed in my entire life. I wouldn't be missing today, but I've got to be here with you guys, right? I wonder if I could actually watch it. Probably have it on one of my TV screens. I haven't got any screens spare at the minute, though. Anyway, I predicted today would be a green day, but muted. And I stand by that. I think it's going to be green, but it's going to be muted. All right? Not a great deal to talk about at the moment. Who's with me? Who's just tuned in? Let's have a little look. Wow, we got a great audience. I didn't realise we had so many people already. Fantastic. Welcome to all of you. We're keeping our eye on the stocks plus the football at the same time. England just got a goal. Have we just got a goal? Fantastic. We like a chore right now. We're like a chore right now for you. Yes. I've got to sit here and do this. I want to be watching the bloody telly. What's going on? So that hasn't updated yet. But what you're saying, it's 1-0 to England. We're already through. Wales needed to win today to stay in. But there you go. Smash the like button. Right. We got 23 watching. Rashford free kick. Very, very good. Very, very good indeed. All right, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, let me know you're here, and give us a thumbs up. All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Just because I'm sacrificing watching my England play while I'm running this show. I've got 24 watching and 11 likes, so I want 20 likes in 1 minute. You ready? I deserve it, don't I? I deserve it. So here we go. Let's bring on the music. 20 likes. Let me share with you on the screen what we're looking at. There are 11 likes on the screen. There you go. Look, 11 likes on the screen. You'll see it right now. Look, 11 likes right there. Look, 11 likes. So smash the like button. Here we go. 12, 13. There you go. Chicky, pow, pow. Said chicky. 14. There we go. Getting better. Chicky, pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. 14, 15. I love it. Smash the like button. We're nearly there now. We need 20 likes and 20 seconds. 1 a second now. There you go. Or whatever it is. 16. Not too bad. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Great. Thanks a lot. Brilliant. Come on, timer. What's going on? Oh, my timers are rubbish today. Hang on a minute. Blimey. My timers and clocks, everything's out today. The computer's gone really glitchy. There's been some updates, and I'm not sure everything is as good as it should be right now. Anyway, whatever. We gained 16 subscribers. Not too bad. Sorry, 16 likes. Anyway, good stuff. So we're keeping our eye. It's 2-0. 2-0 to England. Not 1-0. 2-0. Oh my gosh, look at this. In a matter of seconds, we've gone 2-0. England absolutely smashed it. Look, no surprise. That's Wales going home now. Wales are going home. There's no chance on earth now they can come back from that. England don't even need to win today, and we're up 2-0. So there you go. Very, very nice indeed. All right, 2-0 to England, 1-0 to the United States so far. Okay, let's carry on going. So we've got a lot to talk about. Congratulations, England. Yay. Well done, 3 lines. Yay. Woohoo. All right. R1 RCM had some bad debt. That's why the stock went down. People not paying their bills. Naughty. So it's been recovering. I don't know if they've managed to get their money repaid. But anyway, the S&P 500 is coming back up. I said to you it'd be a green day today, but muted. We're just 0.45% away from that goal. Talking of goals, it's 2-0 to England. Did I mention that? Virgin Orbit today is up 2.53. I'm down at the moment, 0.81. When England play, they're superb. Just need to start doing it more often. Check Geo. Geo says Church of Logic. Okay, let's check Geo. Let's duplicate. Which one shall I do? Duplicate this one here. And let's look at Geo. Okay, we'll do that for you. Just let the page load. I'll take a look. Virgin Galactic is up 2.73. VU is up 2.4. Sorry, Virgin Orbit is up today 2.43. So is it GEO you're looking at? Let me bring it up here a second. It hasn't loaded yet. I'll come back to it. Tesla is still falling. I've got a buy at 160. How did our SoFi do in the end? Yeah, that's now up 1% today. So not too bad at all. IonQ is still falling. I'm down 7% on it now. Let's go back to Geo. Still not loading. Oh, here we go. Right, Geo. GEO. Geo Group. Here we go. This is for Churchy. He wants to know about Geo. And what? Here we go. Right. Situation there right now is it's up. Whoa, 15%. Up 15% today. Let's get some perspective. Let's pan out. There you go. It's been down 54% over the last 5 years. Over the last year, it's gained 37%. So the last year, it's slowly been rising. Geo Group engaged in design, financing, development and support services for secure facilities, processing centres and community re-entry facilities. It operates through the following segments in the US. There you go. Very nice indeed. We've had a steady growth now for the last 3 months, 42%. Not the time to buy it now, is it? Or maybe it is. Up 40% over the month. It's had a continual growth. Look at that. Something very interesting happened here, however, to really pop it there. 15% today. Very nice indeed. But it's still at the bottom of its curve, look. So maybe this is the time when this stock is taking off. Geo Group. There we go. That was for Church. Prisons. Prisons, baby. Yeah. Yeah, he loves his prison stocks, doesn't he? He wants everyone to go to prison. Don't ever mess with Church, right? Because he will get you straight into prison, and that'll be the end of you. Anyway, so be very, very careful. Church, he ain't messing around. He's going to send you straight to prison. Do not pass go. Do not collect £200. Right, Ethereum is up 1.32 today. Bitcoin is down 0.1, and BSV is down 0.33. Not doing a great deal at the moment. Enphase Energy down 1.71. What's your infatuation with prison stocks? He just likes making money. He thinks that the way the world is going with inflation and everyone's so angry, he thinks everyone's going to be breaking the law and everyone's going to go to prison, so he thinks all the prisons are going to be full. And at the end of the day, that's their customers, right? If the prisons are full, prisons make money, I guess. I've never really thought of it like that, but he's probably right. Anyway, Canoe is up today at 4.66. I'm still down 41%. Crime is about to go bonkers. There you go. Invest in crime. Take some shares on, find out who the biggest criminal is in the town and buy some shares on him. I mean, I don't know. What a funny way of looking at life. But anyway, mental health decline. What's your next buy for Tilray? None at all. None whatsoever. I'm up 8%. I don't see it going any lower than my average of 345. And to be perfectly honest, I've got such a large position. It's 4.25% of my portfolio. I wouldn't be buying any more anyway. It doesn't really matter. I wouldn't be buying any more anyway. Maguire almost scored one for Wales then. Muppet. There you go. 22. Harry McTrash. Harry McTrash. Oh, Crag. I'm glad Crag is here. Crag, did you get your mug? Did you get your mug? Has it arrived yet? Your mug was sent out. Here's Crag. Crag won a mug, I think he did, in a competition. And I wanted to make sure if he'd received it yet. And it should be there any time now. Not yet, mate. Okay, keep me updated. Keep me updated, all right, mate? All right, I'll keep asking you every day until you go, yeah, then I'll shut up. I won't ever mention it again. Long-term, more people are becoming more poor in the US. Prison stocks should be good. Look at CXW, Carlos Sanchez. All these requests. Look, everybody wants me to look at stocks this afternoon. Oh, you're lucky you're members, I tell you that. If you wasn't members, you'd have no chance. CXW, is that Core Civic? Core Civic, what's this one? Is this another prison? What is it? What's this one this time? Core Civic, it sounds a bit like a prison. Is it a prison? Operates a government solutions company which engages in the development and ad management of prisons. Yeah, it's another one. Right, same sort of story, look. Over the last 5 years, it's down. Everyone was behaving themselves, but now everyone's buying. Look, another one. There you go. Look at that, look. All the prisons are making money. What is going on? I can't invest in this. This isn't investing. What's going on? This isn't investing. Investing in everybody breaking the law. What's all that about? Anyway, not yet, mate. Has been strikes off and on with the Royal Mail. Okay. Oh, well, it'll get there soon. Look at Grindr. Now we got Grindr as well. Absolutely pounded into oblivion. Oh my gosh, lost over 90% of their value in less than a week. My gosh. Well, I can't invest in that either. What has this show turned into? Investing in Grindr and prison stocks. You never listen to me, Church. You know I don't, mate. I told you a month ago. You were right. You were right. I should have listened to you. Among the 45 states that provided data representing 1.29 million of the 1.33 million total people incarcerated in all 50 state prisons, the total cost per inmate is averaged 33 grand. Is that per year? Or like in total till they die? What, 33 grand? What's that? The day they move in or what? Yeah, I mean, look at this. What is it? Grindr, prison stocks, and weed. What sort of show is this? What is going on here? 22. Yeah, we're investing in I don't know, pick up chat apps. We're picking up prison stocks and weed. What sort of... honestly, YouTube are going to look at this show and go, we can't have this. We can't have it. We can't have it anymore. I don't know what's going on. They're trying to build a prison system for me and you to live in. Oh, my gosh. Per year. 33 grand a year? If it costs 33 grand a year to keep a prisoner, why don't you just tell the prisoner to go out, lock him in his own house? It'd be cheaper. Surely. 33 grand a year, just lock him in his own house and leave him in his own house. 33 grand a year. What are we doing here? The day trader X-rated. X-rated. The North America, the whole North America is going to be Mad Max. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, Mad Max, brilliant. And I'm the maddest of the Maxes, right? I am the Maximilian. I am the Mad Max of whatever. I don't even know what I'm saying. Good afternoon, Ed Nevius. How are you, mate? Welcome, welcome, welcome. My prediction all day has been a green day, but muted. Nothing major. We're waiting for tomorrow, and tomorrow will be muted as well. It all comes down to Friday. It all comes down to Friday. If Friday is good or bad rather for the unemployment, then it'll be a great day. You know, Bodmin in jail is a hotel now. Yeah, see, I visited it about 6 months ago. No, in October, when I was there in October. Yeah, Bodmin jail is a hotel. Unbelievable, isn't it? Eh? It costs $73,000 a year to house a Canadian prisoner. Everything more expensive in Canada. Oh my gosh, that sounds cheap. That sounds cheap, to be honest. should see the price of looking after the elderly. It's not going to end well. Oh my God, why is it so expensive in Canada? Well, exchange rate, innit? Canada's exchange rate is always more US Canadian dollars to the US dollar anyway. So it's probably the same price. All right, so don't get too excited, Church. Don't start investing in Canadian hotels, yeah, Canadian prisons. It's just the exchange rate. Right, okay. I'm going to be spot on today. I think it's going to be one of those days when I'm like right on the second. Okay, look at that. 0.14 to go. I said it would be a green day, but muted, right on the button, and I'm going to be absolutely great, absolutely spot on. Okay, it's time for a quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date. If you see an ad, you can skip it. If not, don't. Watch it It's good for me if you watch it, if I'm honest. I mean, just watch the whole thing. Just don't bother watching the show. Just watch the ads. I get paid then. You know, I don't get paid when you watch me. I get paid when you watch the ads. Which is weird, isn't it? That's like prison stocks. I make money when you don't watch me. When you watch the ads, I make money. When you sit and watch me, I get nothing. So don't watch me, watch the ads. See you back in 10 seconds, all right? And we're back. Okay. Average house price is $350,000 in the US. Bloody hell. Well, I'm way below average then. Way below average. And Henderson injured badly. That's not good for England. That's not good for England. Sounds like US average. Hang on. It is $1,000 in South Africa. An average house price in Canada is over $800,000 for a dump. Bloody hell. Steak on Friday in Canada. Why is it so expensive? Says Churchy. Walking it off though. That's good. Henderson injured badly. He's walking it off. Good. Get up. Get on with it. He's English, isn't he? Just gets on with it. Average house price is $350,000 in the US. Bloody hell. That's still too high. It's too high for me, mate. And it's too high for Churchy. Churchy's trying to buy a house. Churchy wants a house about 20 grand. Anybody got a nice house with a lake, its own drive, its own garage, built-in jacuzzi, built-in everything, and he wants it for 20 grand that he can pay over the next 50 years at 0% APR with nothing down. Anybody got anything like that? If you have, let Churchy know. He'll buy it. He wants to move in with Queen of Logic. 630,000 here, and most small apartment houses are over 1 million. See, I am so in trouble. I ain't got any money for any of this. Housing is a human right, not for profit. Just go to prison, Church. Yeah, go to prison. Go to prison, Church. Tell us what you've done. I'll ring up the police, report you, and then just admit to it. You know. All right. So I'll say, Churchy broke into my house yesterday, and he stole me crystal ball from Bill. All right. Okay. We got the receipt. Bill's got the receipt, so we can prove we bought it. And all you got to do is admit to that, Church. You'll go to prison. You'll have a free life, and you can watch the show from there. Brilliant. Everyone wins. Everyone's a winner. You can buy a house like that, but only for a month. I just had a bookshelf built in my house and it cost 22 grand. Hey? I beg your pardon. Market Profit says I had a bookshelf built in my house and it cost $22,000. Hard to find a house for 20. What do you mean a bookshelf? What's your bookshelf made out of? Diamonds? You bought a flipping bookshelf for what? For 22 grand. What sort of books do you put on the bookshelf? That's what I want to know. Yes. Anyway, go back to the football. Bloody hell, talking about £22,000 or whatever. Wales is now 2-0 to England in the 67th minute. Iran against the US. US still winning 1-0. And Americans, it's not 1-0, it's 1-0. All right? Just letting you know. Just putting that out there. Why you guys think I want want the market to crash so bad? He wants to buy a house. Where do you live? A library? Yeah, exactly. That bookshelf was a whole library. I was quoted 60 grand to pave my driveway. In it, honestly, where do people make up these numbers? I was quoted £60,000 to pave my driveway. I just leave it as mud. Sod it. I just live like the Romans, like Caesar, and I'll have mud everywhere. Forget the driveway. Bookshelves built into the wall. 2 small walls, 8 by 10 feet mahogany. Really nice. I would imagine it's really nice for $22,000. I would expect a very nice shelf for $22,000. Go 3-0, says Andrew Grady. Yeah, we're loving it. 3-0 to England. It's getting too easy now, isn't it? It's getting too easy. Should I put it on the screen? 3-0 to England. Hey! There you go. What's the best bookshelf stock? Is there a stock that does? Yeah. What company provide $22,000 bookshelves? I'm in for that one. Martyn. Oh, hang on. Martyn's like me, minimalist. I just want to live below. Live below our means. Yeah, that's it. I live in the studio. I wouldn't say I'm a minimalist though. Does this studio look minimalistic to you? But this is all I have. This is my world. Welcome to my world. This is my world in here. Is it minimalistic? I wouldn't say it's that minimalistic in here, to be honest. But it's all I've got, so it's still minimum, innit? Anyway, give me your email address. I was quoted $220,000 for my driveway and around my shop to be paved. If you don't believe me, I will send you the quote. I believe you, mate. I hope you wasn't recording the game to watch it later. Yeah, I was. Just everyone ruined it for me. Yeah. I come on here. I give up my time. I could be watching the football. I'm here earning 1 cent an ad per person. 25 people. That's 25 cents every 15 minutes. And now everyone's ruining it for me, telling me the score. But don't worry about it. Don't worry. I'm used to it now. I hope you wasn't recording the game. Oh, IKEA. Yeah, go to IKEA. Get a DIY bloody driveway. That was an investment, Martyn, because of your talent and hobby. That was an investment, Martyn, because of your talent and hobby. What was an investment? Church, what did you do? They're just ripping Market off because he's a millionaire. Yeah. What did Market say? That was an investment, Martyn, because of your... oh, yeah, I see. I see. You're my studio you're talking about, right. It looks like a BBC setup. Yeah, it is. It's better than the BBC. This setup is absolutely brilliant. You can't whack it. Best setup in the world. Profit, maybe you should downsize. Yeah, live in a tent. Live in a tent like me and Churchy. That's what you should be doing. Right. Anyway, I have a farm here, Jerk, with 250 acres. I'm happy. I'll be happy with 250 acres as well. That's miles and miles and miles of land. That's why it's expensive, look. Sent you a keyframe in my house. Real estate agents will pay 1.3 million. Paid 675,000. Bloody hell. You got a profit there, but at the end of the day, if you sell it, where do you live? Me and Mike are going, gee, all these people with money. Me and Mike are going, I don't live like this. I don't live like this. I live for $10 a day. I don't have a house. If anyone asks me how much my house is costing, I'm not telling anyone. I live with my mum in a shed. Sell everything and tell your family we're going to have the best tent Canada's ever seen. There you go. The best tent. Yeah, I'm like you, Mike. I'm like you. I lost my house. I lost my house when I got divorced as well, years and years ago, many, many years ago. I lost everything. See YouTube video, my messages. There you go. YouTube video from Bill. I'll try and get to it if I can. I'm holding the football up at the moment. Oh, hello. I've just heard "Oh damn" from Leah in the other room. That means she's watching the American show. She's watching the USA. As USA is Iran just drawn in the 69th minute. Oh, you missed it. Don't worry, you're 1-0 up. Don't worry about it. Don't get so greedy. You can't be like England, win 3-0. It's only America. What do you expect? She's 1-0 up and she's not happy. She wants to like dominate the flipping tournament. We want 10-0, be like England. But you can't be, can you? You can't be. Let's have a look. Do what? You do know where the electrical breaker is, do you? Well, that's not going to work in here because I'm on battery. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. Leah's just threatened to turn the power off. But she doesn't realise I've got battery-operated power in here. There's nothing she can do. She can do her worst. And if she turns the power off, she's turned the telly off and she can't watch the telly. So she loses. Huh? You have what? Air cans? I ain't got a clue what that is. She's going, I've got air cans. Does anybody know what an air can is? Anyone got a clue what an air can is? Air cannon. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, you keep that to yourself. Makes too much mess in the studio. I ain't picking it up. Right, you remember that last time when Leah came in with an air cannon? Yeah, bloody hell, I'm not doing that again. Right, I might have a big estate and some cash in the bank, but I just ate some Kraft dinner for lunch. I had peanut butter earlier. Look, I tell you what, guys, am I the greatest trader in the world? I often do it. It happens regularly on my show. I often predict exactly to the button. Look, I said to you, I'd be green at the end. I'd be green today. It'd be right on the button. It'd be totally muted. And look, I'm $21 away from being absolutely spot on. Look at that. We've got half an hour to go, and I'm $10 away. God, I'm good. God, I should work for the stock market. I should be like their representative, I think. I'm about to live out of my car, and Peep's got farms and driveways. You guys make me feel so good about myself. Church, don't worry, mate. Me and you will live together in our tent together. Don't you worry about that, church. I got no problem with that. Thanks, Leah. What are you thanking Leah for? She hasn't done anything other than threaten to turn the power off. I mean, that's not that much, is it? Blah, 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 says Spaceline. England were too cautious against the US. They're much better playing loose. Yeah, much better playing loose. I'm only a high schooler investing $2,000 of saving compared to everyone else. Hey, don't compare anyone to anyone. Do your own thing, right? If you've got $1 and you're up 10%, you're up 10%. It doesn't matter. It's all about percentages, not how much money you got. Makes no difference. You see, if Market Profit puts $1 million on a stock and he's up 10%, that's exactly the same as you putting $10 on a stock and you're up 10%. You're both up the same. What's important is the percentage, not the amount. That's irrelevant, because eventually, if you keep doing that, you will have lots of money as well. So it makes no difference. How much money you got is irrelevant on the stock market. I said right on the button I would be green. Look at it. I am just too good for this show. I need to get up. I need to get signed up. Someone's got to sign me up. Anyway. Time for a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Oh, hang on. We've got to make that go live. Press the live button. Bring yourself live. You ready? Okay. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we're back again with just 24 minutes to go before the end of before the closing bell. Let's have a look. Bag inflator. A lot of space holders need that. A bag inflator. A lot of space holders need that, says Spaceline. How's it going? Beautiful Rocket Man. Here I am. Yeah, here he is. Here I am. Here I am. Here he is. I have a few years to catch up. There you go, Max. Don't you worry about it. We all started the same. We all end up the same. We all go the same way. No one gets out of here for free. Don't worry about that. Okay, over there on the football, we are still 3-0. 76 minutes to go. Nearly curtains up for England, Wales, and Iran and the US. The US will go home if they don't win. They have to win. Draw's not good enough. They got to win. And Wales will be going home if it ends up like that. And there's no way Wales can win now. Not a chance. They have to pound England. They have to win like about 3 or 4-0. So now they have to score about 5 goals. There's not a chance at all. All right, just I hate to ruin their party, but they know that anyway. Right, okay. I just missed a sitter, said Andrew Grady. What's that? What's going on there? Okay, let's have a quick look. We've had a quite explosive afternoon on the channel. We've had a few. We had a viral moment. In fact, it wasn't really viral because it doubled only for a few minutes, so it didn't keep it going. But anyway, let me share with you this afternoon. We had a bit of a success on one of my shorts. Look, there you go. See it? See it up there? Look, had a bit of a moment. One popped up for a minute. But anyway, have we gained any subscribers during the show? Let's have a look. 5570. Oh, we lost one. That happens as well. You got to be prepared to take the ups and the downs. It's all part of it. Right, okay. Have we got any breaking news this afternoon? Let's see if we've got any news coming out. Oh, this is not what we want to see. This is definitely not what I want to see at all. Tesla's looming fight centers of free speech and app store fees. It looks like they're talking about Tesla losing its grip on the EV space. We certainly don't want to hear stuff like that, do we? All right, but news like that will get everyone to be fearful and sell their shares of Tesla, no doubt. But anyway, that's what's all going on now. Down, Tesla's down. Oh, it's one. Whoops, what happened there? We lost the picture there for a minute. Let me just come out of there. I'm really struggling today with my systems. It's been like it all day. I can't even get out of this position now. Just bear with me. We are struggling at the minute. Sorry about this. Come on. Let me change it this way then. There we go. Do it that way. We are getting a bit of a hiccup today. I apologise. Been like it all day. Tesla brand takes hit from mass layoffs. I don't think this guy's making much sense. I'm having a little listen on my monitor. Anyway, breaking news. No, breaking news. No breaking news today. I like that. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. There's no breaking news today. I should put a video out like that. I should actually put a video out like that. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas. There's no breaking news. I just thought I'd come on and have a laugh. That'd be funny. I should do it. 22. Would you watch it? Would you watch it and leave a comment? Shall I do it? Tesla brand takes hit from mass Twitter layoffs. See, I can't see how they're related. To me, that is a ridiculous statement. Tesla brand takes a hit from mass Twitter layoffs. That's just bears trying to be pessimistic towards Tesla. I probably shorters. I don't take any notice of that at all. We all know it's not good for the brand, but short term things are going to be fine. Long term things will be fine. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Carlos Sanchez. Yes, space climbing back up again today. 3 point. Let's get back above $5, shall we? Sometimes no news is good news. I couldn't agree more. And right now we are looking at England, Wales 3-0 to England, and Iran, the United States 1-0 to the United States. There you go. 78 minutes for US and 81 minutes. So about 10 minutes to go, plus a bit of extra time if there's any injury time or what have you. But anyway, we'll keep you posted with it. You know we will. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the main portfolio. I said to you I'd be right on the button, and I am. Tomorrow is an important day. We've got Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow. Now, it is a special broadcast. It's only special friends invited. If you're not a special friend, you can't come, right? This is the event. Unless I give you this magic key, you can't be there. If you're on TikTok now, you can't be there. You've got to be on YouTube. Come on, Wales, says Rob. Get out of it. Get out of it. All right, so here is Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow. And if you don't have this link, you can't come. It's a special event. Only me and my friends. There you go. There it is. You can go there now and you can click notify. See the little notify badge there, look. See that little notify badge there, look. See it there, look. Right at the bottom of the screen there, look. You click on it, ring the bell, right, and then give it a like. If you give it a like already, there you go. There's the like, look. Give it a like. Jerome Powell speaking live on our show tomorrow. Yes, 3-0 still, England, 1-0, United States still. Okie dokie. Back to the main portfolio. I wanted to drop the $4 so I can get one hell of a position. I wanted to drop the $4. I'll drop to $4. Yeah, I'm the same. You know, the company doesn't change at all. The price is not the company's value. The price is everyone selling out. If everyone sold out today, but you've got to remember, at the same time as saying that the price is not the value of the stock, which is true, which is totally true, we also have to remember something else. why do people sell off? You know, they're not going to sell off today just so me and you, Project Freedom, so me and you can get a share for $4. I would love it. I'd love it. But of course, it doesn't work that way. There's a reason why people sell off. But sometimes it's just scaremongering, like SoFi. Look, see, SoFi is doing great now. I'm glad I picked up some cheap. I'm still down 21%. But if you pan out 3 months, you can see that we've had a steady long decline. So it's okay I'm down 21% because we're down 25% over the last 3 months. So we'll soon make it back. But I wasn't prepared to buy any more just because it was down. Sir Richard Branson is in talks with the Saudi prince about what I didn't know. Maybe something about what I don't know. Maybe something to do with that new city he's building. He's building the Mirror City. I have no idea. Nothing about that at all, Project Freedom. Nothing at all. Martyn, bring out the crystal ball. My mum loves it. All right. Well, I said to you today that I would, especially for Carlos's mum, I said today that the portfolio would be green at the end of the day. I said it would be a very muted day, right on the button. And we've got 15 minutes to go, look, and I'm $18 away. I keep sitting on the zero, keep doing it. So especially for you, Carlos Sanchez, I'm going to continue and stick to my prediction. I can hear clapping in the background from Leah. She's clapping. She's like that. I can hear a little clap going on. No idea what that's about. So anyway, especially now for Carlos Sanchez. Are you ready? I'm sticking by it. I predict today that my portfolio will end today in the green, and it'll be right on the button, and it'll be muted because tomorrow Jerome Powell speaking, and he'll be pretty muted because he'll be waiting for Friday. There we go. Rail strikes, welcome to our world, says Rob McLean. As the rail strikes going ahead, stocks trade off lows in run up to Powell's speech. That's what we're seeing. So I expect to be green by the end of the day, but only just. That was especially for Carlos's mum. Where's your mum? How come your mum's not in the chat? Almost half, 40% of singles say that finding one person they are dating is a non-voter. It's a deal breaker according to the user data from dating app Tinder. Railroads unions draw their lines in the sand as Biden Congress move to prevent strike. Let's have a quick look. This is the latest figures now on the markets overall. Come on. My computer's too slow for this. I got so many buttons to press at once. It's driving me up the bloody wall. It really, really is. Railroads Union, we're talking about that now. Let's have a quick look. Here is the Dow Jones. If I can get it up, probably can't. Come on. Oh man, this is the worst. This is the worst my computer's ever been. Dow Jones is down 0.13. There we go. The S&P 500 is down 0.26. Nasdaq is down 0.69%. We're all preparing for tomorrow morning. Not looking good right now, but that's okay. We want a down day so we can bounce back. That's all we need. It's still 3-0 to England and 1-0 to the United States. So we're looking okay. Bloody hell, this is... Look how slow it is. Railroads, let's have a little look. The Rail Union says Congress mandate is... mandating the labour deal without changes to pay. Sick leave will worsen the supply chain and further alienate rail workers. Not good. Everyone's going on strike, aren't they? Everyone's broken. After a meeting with Biden on Tuesday, leaders from both Democratic and Republican parties, including Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer, and Mitch McConnell, indicated support for passing legislation quickly. 4 rail unions aligned on a potential national strike date of December the 9th. Rail strikes, welcome to our world, says Rob Brennan. Okay. There he is. So, 0.36. I'm slipping off a little bit. Am I going to be on the button? Nobody knows. We'll find out very soon. Am I going to be right? I don't know. Prison stock still rising. Yep. The only people that are making any money, it seems, are the prison stocks. R1 RCM. That's gone up today, 10%. I'm up 12% on it now. Only $8.95. I hardly bought any at all. Key iPhone plant lifts COVID lockdown. Breaking news from China. Really, really good. COVID lockdown is released in China at an iPhone factory. That is good news. That is good news. We like that. We like that. All right. 10 minutes ago, the overall portfolio is just down 0.38. What's hot? What's not? Let's have a quick look. Still, we are at 1-0 to the United States over Iran and 3-0 to the England over Wales. All right. Okay. The S&P 500 is coming up, though. Look, we are coming up. Virgin Galactic is just falling off. VORB is going sideways. I'm down just $7. Nothing in it, really. Tesla trying to push back up again. I've got buys at 160. I'm not buying at 180. I'm not buying at 170. Apple, I'd like to get some Apple as well. That's going sideways now. One at 140. 141 is my lowest. It's my all-time low, but I want to buy it for 130. So it's not lower than my all-time low, and I'm not looking to buy any more. I've got nearly 4% of my portfolio is Apple. Any word on the VORB flight? Still nothing. I'm still chasing. We did have a rumor today that it's on Thursday, but that's not confirmed. That's not confirmed, so nothing confirmed. Virgin Orbit just going sideways. 275. I managed to buy it to 268. Lowered my averages. I'm actually up on it. The ones I bought yesterday anyway. So all good. Arrival now 29. Literally, virtually done, finished. Amazon is down 1.73. Apple 141, 140. This is my all-time low. If I was looking to buy a load of stocks right now, it's still very expensive though. Apple though, is expensive, but it's always good owning it. You earn a good dividend from it. It's not a problem. It's always good to own it. Just hold it. Dividend, November the 10th. Yeah, I had $6.02. Not a huge amount, but I think I had less Apple at that point anyway. Right. Robinhood trying to come up. McDonald's coming up. Coca-Cola coming up. Defensive stocks being bought again, obviously. J&J coming up. Google going sideways now. Microsoft. I'm now in the money on Microsoft. I'm up 2.64. Meta down 5%. SoFi is lifting off a little bit now. I'm still down 21%, but much better. IonQ. I've got an order to buy IonQ, I think at 4. Yeah, 482. Long way to go. Walmart up 25% total. Target. There you go. Let's jump to our crypto. BSV down 0.5. BTC is up. Sorry, down 0.1. And Ethereum is up 0.98. So stocks are all trading lower because of Jerome Powell talking in the morning. Of course, he's known as the Grim Reaper, according to Churchy. Right, I will share with you now in the dying moments. England are 3-0. Wales will be going home. We are into the 92nd minute, which is 2 minutes into injury time. I don't know how much injury time we've got. It's never more than a few minutes. So Wales most certainly will be going home. The United States have won. They are 90 minutes. It's not all over yet by any means, but there you go. Any minute now, you can see that will go to full time. We can keep that on there. We've got 7 minutes to go before the bell goes, and we are done. Where's the market going to end up? I'm down $70, 0.17. I said right on the button I would be flat, and I'm just about there. 4 minutes. 4 minutes injury time. 3 minutes now into into England. So any second now, it'll be final score. No question. Wales are going home. England is through to the knockout stages, as expected. Iran and the United States. US have won. They're through as well. Iran, I think, are out. You got 9 minutes of extra time? 9? Oh my gosh. Leah's just telling me we got 9 minutes of injury time for the US. 9 minutes. That's insane. That tells me, without watching it, there's been a lot of dirty play, if that's the case. Anyway, England's about to blow the whistle. We just heard that Andrew Grady said 4 minutes injury time, so we're about to blow the whistle there. Full time 3-0. There we go. England have won. The United States, Wales are going home. That's the end of them. They did very well to get to the competition, to be fair. I often think that Gareth Bale must get frustrated. He's on the wrong team, but he's very proud Welsh as well. But obviously, one man doesn't make a great team. That's not how it works. Anyway, we're just 5 minutes to go, and we are right on the button now for being at zero. Right on it. Apologise for my glitches. There's lots of glitches here this afternoon. I'm unable to control. $18. Am I the best trader in the world or what? I'm not making any money, but I'm good at predicting the exact score, the exact prediction of my portfolio. We've got 4 minutes and 50 seconds to go. In fact, that clock's a bit behind, so I'll end that. $3 to go. Look at that. Let's see. There we go. Right, I said I'd be green right on the dot. Perfect. Lots of games going 9 to 10 minutes extra as refs are playing full 45 minutes football. Brilliant. England versus Senegal, USA versus... There you go. England versus Senegal and USA, Netherlands. There we go. USA will lose against the Netherlands, I'm afraid, in my prediction. I expect the Netherlands to beat USA, but we'll see. You never know. You never know. Look at that, folks. Right on the button, returning green with just a couple of minutes to go. England can beat Senegal, but they're good, though. They can be a dirty team, those African teams. Anyway, look at that. Right on the button, 0.1. 0.1. You could not have a lower percentage. 0.09. Look at that. All right. What do you call it? The prison stock's doing well. I'm not going to sell R1 RCM just yet. It's good today, 11%, but I think it can go a lot further than that. So we won't sell that one today. The S&P is coming up in the dying minutes. Virgin Galactic is going back up. Vorb is just going sideways. Tesla is now coming back up again. It won't let me buy it at 160. It won't let me have it for that cheap. Anyway, Lucid, 3 minutes to go. 0.07. Couldn't be much closer, could it? Arrival, 29 cents. Are they going bankrupt? I think they are. There we go. Apple coming up. I nearly bought a share of Apple at 140. I'll tell you that now. I thought about it, because even though it's not my 130 target, I would like more of Apple in my portfolio. But Apple is expensive, at the end of the day. It is at its the bottom of its channel, though. But it hasn't had the drop like everything else has. So I think you've got to stick to your principles there and hope for it to go lower. Full time, England and Wales, 3-0, all done. Just a minute to go now, Iran, United States. And if Iran score in the last seconds of this game, United States might be going home. I'm not sure if they would if they drew. Not 100% certain. All right, down to 1 minute to go. Are you ready? 1.5 minutes to go. We're coming up to it now. Just a few seconds to go. .07. 1 minute to go before the bell goes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go. Hey, I'm green. I've got a few seconds to go. I'm $18. I couldn't be closer. I said I'd be green, muted, right on the button, and I'm $24 out, $23 out. I'm in, you know what I'm saying? So, look at that. Could it be closer? 27 seconds to go. You couldn't get much closer than that. $20. Am I going to be green? 0.07%. 10, 9, 8, 7, 13. Oh, 0.03. Oh, no. No. 3, 2, 1. Ring the bell. Oh, my gosh. I was out. I said right on the button. I'd be green right on the button. And I was 0.01. There you go. Right on the button. Look at that. No one could get it as close. Nobody on YouTube could guess that close. Unbelievable. No one in the history of the world has ever got the timing of the market that good. All right, there you go. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Right. England and Wales are all done, 3-0, and now we're waiting. We've got seconds to go for Iran and United States. It's still 1-0. It looks like the United States have won. They've got 9 minutes of extra time, and we're 9 minutes in to the 9 minutes, but there could always be a couple of seconds in the 9 minutes. We shall see. Been reading the tarot cards. Yeah, I have. What? We're 9 minutes now, so any second now. I can hear Leah cheering. So I think that's full time with the United States. They are in through to the next round. Very, very good. Excellent stuff. Well done, United States. You've got a really big game coming up now, though, because you're playing the Netherlands, the Dutch, and they are fantastic, or at least they have been over years. Remember Johan Cruyff? I don't know if they're the same team they were those years ago, but they're a good team. They were a good team, have a great history for football. They will expect to win against the United States, but that doesn't mean they will. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. Anyway, there you go. We've got 24 watching, 24 likes. We're spot on, 100%. Couldn't be better. Right, that's it from me. We'll do Day Trader of the Day. We'll bring up the breaking news. There isn't anything to share with you now, so we'll clear that down. We'll clear that screen. I'm clearing all my screen to try to improve the performance of my system. See if we can improve the performance a little bit. Right. Okay. That's it. Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main position. Let me know what your score is. Let's run a quick commercial break. Press the live button. Make sure it turns from grey to red. So everybody, my money's on England, because if I have to hear about them winning the World Cup for the next 30 years, I might as well profit. Yeah, he's right there, isn't he? He's right. Okay, fantastic. Let's come back in 10 seconds. Oh, it's still Iran and United States are still playing. They're into the 11th minute. How many more minutes? Why don't you just play the game twice? Still 1-0 against America. It hasn't finished. I can hear Leah cheering again. She's getting very excited. There we go. So let's bring you back after a commercial break. Oh, you won. Okay, the USA won. All right, USA won. Okay, they really want Iran to win. Yeah, kept going on like that. Flipping heck, you ain't kidding, right? So there we go. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Right. Let me shut all that down. And let's do day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Okay. Go to your main position and let me see your position. I'm flat. At least I was flat. I'm just going to put 0 because it just keeps changing. But 0%. Whoops, a daisy. 0%. Exactly what I predicted. Right on the bell. There you go. 0%. So give me your scores. Let me know your scores. Are you up, you're down, you're in, you're out, you're left, you're right? What's your situation? When the first person posts, I'll give you 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. I am up, says Andrew Grady, 0.39. Up 0.6. Stephen Lewandowski, up 0.35. Max H. Up 0.6. It looks like 0.6 is going to take it. That's Stephen Lewandowski. He's won before. He's won before. Will he win again? Andrew Grady up 0.39. Down 0.32, says Mike. Any more scores on the doors? Looks like the winner is Andrew Grady. Sorry, not Andrew Grady. Stephen Lewandowski. There we go. Let me bring it onto the screen. Thank you very much for your honest trades. And give him a thumbs up. And here come the sound effects. Oh, yeah. There you go. Very good. Stephen Lewandowski. Congratulations, Stephen. Well done, says Mike. Very, very well done indeed. Great. There you go. Brilliant. Well, that's it. So, tomorrow we are back. We got a very busy day coming. We got a very busy rest of the week. So a couple of... Oh! I want to be in the credits. Andrew Grady wants to be in the credits. Andrew Grady's in the credits. Let's do a celebration. Let's do a celebration. Andrew Grady, let's do a celebration for your tip tonight. Thank you so much indeed. He says, I want to be in the credits. I want to be in the credits. Boom. There you go. Fantastic. Nice one, Andrew Grady. Love it. Nice one. There you go. Congratulations. Thank you so much indeed. And cheers to you. There you go. Brilliant. Thank you, Andrew. Much appreciate that little tip there. Andrew Grady done a £2 super chat. I want to be in the credits, he said, and on the screen and part of the movie. There, this is a movie. This isn't a YouTube video. This is a movie. All right, just saying. All right, so there you go. Right, what have we got coming up? We have got on tomorrow. We have got. Has anyone registered their ticket yet for the show that you can't get to unless you click here? Here is the show tomorrow. We're here for the opening bell, the closing bell, but here in between is a special. This is Jerome Powell speaking. We'll be covering it live. So there you go. I spent my 0.39 profits. But Andrew, you invested in it. By giving me a tip, you've invested in it. Invested in it or invested it? Invested it. Invested it. Not invested in it. What is invested in it? I've no idea. Anyway, so there you go. Go over there now and leave a like, notify, click it. Oh, we've got 6 likes now. Excellent. Let me click notify myself. There we go. I've done it myself now. 6 likes. Mike's in the chat and Andrew Grady is in the chat. And how do I know this? Because I can see it right there. Look, it's me. They're in the chat already. I'm going to be in the chat as well now. Hi all. Whoops. There you go. I'm in the chat as well now. There you go. Right. So we got that tomorrow after the opening bell. Now on Friday we have our guest Alex Agut, 9 a.m. We've got 2 cash giveaways on Friday. If you've not yet become a subscriber on Twitch, it's free anywhere in the world using Amazon Prime. All right, just turn Amazon Prime Gaming on and you can be a subscriber. I've only got 8 subscribers on Twitch. That is all. If you subscribe, you will be in the draw for the cash prize every first Friday of the month. Okay, so why would you not be in it? I don't know why. Amazon pay the subscription. Amazon give me the money. I give it to you. Here is my Twitch account. And just turn Amazon Prime Gaming on. Link your Amazon. Because remember, Amazon own Twitch. So all you're doing is linking it to them. And that is it. Here is the Twitch. It's below all my videos. It's on the All Links button. It's in the chat right now. And I'll share with you on the screen. Look. Literally, all we've got are 8 people in on it. And that will be drawn on Friday, as well as our cash prize giveaway. And of course, see at the top, look, 8, just 8 subs, just 8, and 2 of those is me and Leah. So 1 in 6 chance of winning, and they have to be in as well. So there you go. All right, there you go. Even works in Canada, but Bill's never worked it out yet. Just got Amazon Prime. Yeah, we've been through it 50 times. Can't go through it again. Anyway, there you go. Right, that's it. So a lot coming up this week. And then on the 15th as well, we've got of December, we have the FOMC report, the Fed. And on the 13th, a couple of days before, is the CPI. That's all to look forward to. Will we get a Santa rally? Many think so. I believe so. No link for iPhone. No link for iPhone. You do it on a computer, you do it on an iPad, you do it on a laptop. I don't think you can do it on your iPhone. Unless you use the browser. Bill, if you go on your iPhone, on your browser, just go on Safari or Google Chrome, you can do it. So you can do it on your phone, you just have to use the browser. You're doing it on the app. It's on the browser. Right, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. I will see you all back in the morning. Leah's happy. USA are through. I'm happy. England are through. Everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner. That's it. So where are we ended up? Are we up still? Yes, I think we're up still. Yes. No, we're not now. We're down 0.07 overall. Right. Okay. Thank you ever so much indeed. Now, if you would like to, gladly is happy. There you go. Says Mike. If you'd like to, if you are a fan of the show and you're trying to help the channel grow and you're trying to win the Trader of the Year, we've got a competition for a star prize running at the end of the year. The person who engages the most, shares the most, watches the most videos, comments the most, someone who really goes above and beyond, you can still do that. It ends at the end of the year when I announce the winner. So to do that, go onto the homepage of the channel, and if there's a video that hasn't got a red line underneath it, that means you haven't watched it. See, I've watched this one here, look. I've watched this one. So all these videos I haven't watched. These are the new videos that came out today. So if you want to watch them, leave a comment and turn them with a red line. It's a bit like an obsession. You need every single video to have a complete red line across the bottom. If it's only got a little bit of a red line, you've only watched a bit of it. If you want to watch the whole thing, that's how you do it. All right? Anyway, that's that. I will see you back in the morning for the opening bell. Have a wonderful evening. That's it. I just need someone to say, roll the credits. And I know Andrew Grady is extremely excited because he's going to see his name in the credits for the first time, I believe. Roll the credits. Okay, here we go. See you back in the morning. Congratulations, England, and congratulations to everyone who supported the United States as well. Right, roll the credits. Here we go. Is Andrew Grady going to be in? Can't guarantee it. I have no control over it. Stars of the show, Andrew Grady. There he is. He's the only one, though. Only one. And in fact, because he's the only one, we want to make him feel good. USA, USA, USA. There you go. Andrew Grady, he got into the super chats. Roll the dice. It's roll the dice credits. No, there you go. If you did a super chat, you're in the thing. There he is, Andrew Grady. If you became a subscriber, you'll be in, but only if you're a public subscriber. Some people hide their subscriptions. That's why they're not shown. That's that. And what else is there? On top of that, you've got people that are members of Twitch, if they join as well. So there's all those things as well. But that's it. Thank you very much indeed, everyone. Yay, I'm famous. Andrew Grady, you are so famous. It's unbelievable. In fact, you're going to be double famous because, look, now I'm putting you on the screen as well. Look, look, look. Double famous. You're double famous. All right. And this will live forever. For 1 million years from now, my channel will be there and YouTube will be there. And there you go. Right, that's it. I'll see you all back in the morning. Is that the end? No, it's not. I started the music again. That's why I thought it had ended. Right, that's it. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you all back in the morning. And let's get ready for a great, great end of the week. Let's hope Jerome Powell isn't too hawkish tomorrow. And I think he'll be muted anyway before we get the employment information. But that's it from me. Have a wonderful evening. Go and catch up with your videos. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.